Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Hey, I got my ground beef going. I'm doing some ground beef patties, some gravy. I got some rice back there, some jasmine rice. I'm about to put some potatoes in here. Just these about to go in my green beans. Just add a little salt and pepper to it. My green beans. I'm gonna add my onions to it too, so just a second. Add my onions. Add my salt and pepper. I'm making a mix, of course, as always. Like my black pepper, y'all. Do a little slap it on. Do a little slap your mama. Come back with the salt, baby. I don't want a lot of salt, baby. Oh, yeah. I'm working with my hand, y'all. I'm ready to do it. Cook there. I'm gonna add a little bacon. And I'm gonna add my greens. Let these cook down. Add a little more oil. Just a little more cooking oil. Put that like that. Because I want them to fry, so. Let those fry for a bit. And that oil get hot. I'm gonna add my bacon. And I'll show y'all that too. It's hot. So y'all, I did my potatoes. They almost done. Let me take it a little more crispier. I'm gonna add my green beans to the top. I ain't gonna put no bacon in. My blood pressure already been acting up on me, so we're gonna leave the bacon out today. We're gonna go without the bacon. We're gonna go without the bacon. Without the bacon. You don't have to have the bacon. It's full of flavor already. Alrighty. So I'm about to add my green beans and I'll show y'all my seasonings I put in. Y'all, so my potatoes done and I decided I don't want to put them in my green beans, so I'm just gonna leave them as a side and do my green beans separate. I'll show y'all how to do my green beans too. Hold on. These just little simple green beans. Y'all do my green beans because I put a lot of stuff in them. But I'm not going to do that today. It's just little simple green beans. But I'll show y'all what I do too. Okay. So, of course, I gotta have my onions. Of course, I gotta have my onions. I got to have my onions. You probably bought a movie, y'all. Yeah, we're doing with these. Get a little crisp on them. I pulled all my juice off of my green beans because I got canned green beans. I pulled all the juice off of them. And I'm just going to add them right on top of this oil, the same oil that I cooked my potatoes in. I just took the potatoes out, left the oil. And yeah, I'm about to get our seasonings and stuff in here. So hang on. Well, let me show y'all. I'm just going to show y'all what I'm putting in my green beans. I got some chicken bouillon. Just a little of that, a little black pepper, and a little vinegar. That's it. That's all I put in my green beans. That's it. And my onions and oil. That is it, honey. So simple. Alright. So I'm just going to add my 2 cans of green beans to the hot oil and onions. I drained all of my liquids off and I'm just going to cook them down. Add a little bit of my bouillon powder. Not too much. That. I'm gonna add some black pepper, of course. Some black pepper. Love me some black pepper. And that is it. I'm gonna add a little vinegar in just a minute, and that's it. Wash these seasonings in with the onions. And let those cook down. I'll show y'all what they look like when they cook all the way down. Yeah. I done made a mess. I be trying to clean as I go good. And I got these on hot too, so they can kind of, you know what I'm saying, fry a little bit. Just fry them a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Fry them in that oil. So yeah. I'm gonna let those go for about good 5 minutes, and then I'll try to turn them over a little bit. Yeah. Do that. Now I'm making my gravy, y'all. So I took a little bit of I left a little bit of the oil in there from my ground beef, just a tad. I don't like that oil like that, but yeah, I left a little bit in there. So we using a little scraping from the bottom to make our gravy. It's gonna be trying to be a dark brown gravy. So we get all the scrapers off the side. I'm just letting it cook for a minute. My green beans still frying over here. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna move them around now. Try to move them around a little bit. Yeah, we just want to get some color, you know? Get some color on them babies. So, a little color. Got a little burn on them. Sometimes I like them like this. Sometimes I just boil them. Sometimes I like them like this. Crispy. And I'm going to add a little butter on top of it in just a minute. And they're going to be done in about 15 more minutes. I'm going to let them cook. Alright. My gravy, see how it's sitting still. And I'm about to add my meat and my onions back in here, and then I'm just gonna pour my water in. You can use, chicken broth, whatever you want for your gravy. I use water. We have enough seasoning and flavors in it for me, so I'll be good. And again, I'm gonna use my bouillon for my gravy right now. I'm gonna add just a tap in there. And some black pepper. And that is it, honey. So, it was a bit too much pepper. Hopefully it won't be too hot. I always open the big end like a fool. So yeah, got that going. I'm gonna add my meat in. So add it back in like that. Hold on. And then I'm gonna pour my liquid in after I get my meat back together. Y'all know when I cook, I have to cook a lot. So. And I still got onions and all that on my meat. So. Still got good flavor. Good flavor. I'm gonna do that like that. Put that right there. That right there. There. And add the rest of my onions on top. Now, I'm going to add a cup of water in here. And y'all see my gravy starts. I'm going to use 1 big cup like this. Just 1 big cup. And I'm just going to pour it in. Y'all can see my gravy starts to come together. I'm going to let it boil for just a minute and I'm going to stir. Yup. I'm going to let that, let me stir it around just a tap. I'm going to let that come to a boil though, so it can turn into its gravy. I be doing all kind of different gravy, so I always do my gravy different. I think I said that in my last video. I got so many different gravies that I use. This is one of the ones I like to do for my hamburger patties. So yeah. Now, I'm not gonna even really mess with it too much. I'm gonna put the top on this and I'm gonna let it go. So I will be back in just a second, y'all. Show y'all what it's looking like. Okay, y'all see how I got my color on there? See how it's a little brown in some places, a little burnt in some places? That's how I want it. It's not gonna taste burnt. It's just gonna taste a little crispy right there. So yeah, we're about to cut these off. Let me show you. Y'all hear how it sounds. So let me show you. When I move it around just a little. Just a little crispy in some of it. That's how I like my beans. So they are done. I got my gravy. Yeah, getting a little thicker, you know. She getting thick. She getting thick. And of course my potatoes, my rice is on there. Yeah, we ain't good tonight. So let this go for another 15 minutes. Turning this off. That's done. And we're just waiting on our meat to cook down. And I will show y'all my plates. Just a minute.